Welcome back to DuraTalk, where we ask DuraTech team members a question every month and see what they say. This month's question is, what is your must-have cookout food for the 4th of July? Let's see what they said.
My favorite cookout food on the 4th of July is a steak, medium rare, nice and juicy, and you can just feel it sizzle.
My favorite is corn on the cob.
My favorite 4th of July cookout food is hamburgers.
My favorite cookout food is potato salad.
My favorite food to have at a July cookout, 4th of July cookout, would have to be hot dogs that are grilled on charcoal, very specific, or potato salad, between those two.
My favorite grilling food on 4th of July is steak.
My favorite grill out food would probably be brats.
My favorite 4th of July grilling food is charcoal chicken.